Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Grow with Kit. I'm Kit, and today I'm going to give you an update on my seed-grown hazelnut trees. So almost exactly 4 years ago today, I did a video showing you how to grow hazelnuts from seeds. And little did I know that it was going to be one of my most popular videos. It's now got 77,000 views, hundreds of comments. And a comment that comes up quite a lot is how are they doing and can we have an update? So that's what I'm going to do today. So I've still got, I think, 4 of the original trees, and I've done various different things with them. They're still in pots, so they're not huge, and I have done some pruning as well to keep them under control. But anyway, so today I'm going to update you on them. So stay tuned if you're interested, and I'll get back to you in a sec. Okay, so these are the 4 hazelnut trees that I've got left. I did have a few more, but over the years I've got rid of some of them, and some of them have died and given away and stuff. But these are the 4 that are left, so they're all 4 years old, but obviously different conditions in the pots. These ones are in bigger pots, this one's in a smaller pot here, and this one here I chopped the trunk a couple of years back. This one was chopped as well at some point, and it's growing back again. So I'm trying to keep them small, with a view to maybe bonsaiing them in the future. But anyway, so this is the hazelnut trees that I grew. I'll bring you in for a closer look in a minute. But they're all doing well. Nice little trees. Haven't had any nuts on them yet, but if I let them grow for another couple of years, we should get a nice little harvest of nuts off them. Anyway, I'll bring you over, give you a close up. Okay, so I'll just talk you through what I've done with each one. So this little one here, it actually was a lot taller, was about 4 foot tall, and I chopped it. I'm half expecting it to die, but I wanted to bonsai it, so chopped the trunk, and it's regrown. This was about 2 years ago I chopped that, so it's got a couple of nice new branches coming up there, and I'm going to keep it small and bushy, and try and make it a nice little bonsai tree. This one here has just been stuck in that pot for a couple of years, probably needs a bigger one. I think that's the reason why it's a bit smaller. This one hasn't even been chopped or anything, so it just grew up and then split and grew up that way. I've only just noticed something's been having a nibble on these. Probably some sort of little caterpillar or something. I'll have a look around. So that one's doing well. This one here is doing the best, and I did chop the trunk on this one as well. See there where I made a cut, then 2 new branches grew out. I've just left them, they're getting quite thick now, so this will be a short bushy tree rather than growing straight up to the sky. So it's doing well as well. Again, no nuts on these yet, but if I just leave them alone and stop pruning them, I'm sure they will grow some nuts, but there's no rush. And this one here, I tried something completely different with this one. I did chop this one as well, and then I just left the one. This was mainly just to keep it small, because we have to move, and transporting big trees is difficult. But at the end of last year, it was similar looking to this one, but I cut the end of each branch off, and I thought I'd just let it grow into a nice little, like a tall bonsai type thing. I don't really know what they're going to turn out like, but I have a vision for them and I think they're doing well. Okay guys, so that's the hazelnut trees as they are today, 4 years after I planted the seeds. So if you've got any other questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Anyway, the hazelnuts are really easy to grow. If you go back through my videos, look at my popular uploads, you'll find the hazelnut tree. I think it's number 2 or 3 in my most popular videos. I will try and remember to leave a link, but most of the time I forget, so sorry about that. You can quite easily find it. Anyway, yeah, if you've got any other questions or you want to know anything else about these hazelnuts, please leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's little update on these hazelnut trees. I'll keep you updated in the future as well. And I will do other update videos on my birch, apple, pomegranate, and other trees that I've grown from seed. I've got some maples in there, which I've grown from seed as well, so they'll be quite interesting. So keep an eye out for my future videos. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Hope you all have a fantastic week, and I'll see you on the next one.